Decrying the formation of administrative committee, deprivation of rights under Panchayati Raj, allegedly by concerned deputy commissioners in 6 valley districts of the state, an arrayed crowd carried out a protest demonstration today and submitted a memorandum to Imphal East DC. The crowd, headed by Imphal East Zila Parishad Gram Panchayat Pradhan, Upa Pradhan, approached DC complex at Porompad and submitted the memorandum demanding to conduct Panchayati Raj elections to dissolve the administrative committee formed by the DC, among others. President of Panchayati Raj institutions in Kundrakpam Assembly constituency, Making Dolaithabi Zila Parishad, Ningthau Kongjam Sanatomba handed over the memorandum to the DC in charge. Speaking to media, N. Sanatomba condemned the formation of administrative committee by district commissioner amidst the non-stop and violating panchayat power.
Hata akogi kisina administrative committee ma khan to bose mase an yoba mayoktani koi democracy gi mayoktani maramaduna thuna administrative committee je hanto piu loina na atuba matam da election to biraga panchayat raj ta leijari ba koi ge nauna election to piu kai guma election to dira ha na han pu duna leijar ba koi da asiguma kano se khudong cha ba se ain de su yaw ba act su yaw ba se masi pina biu sina biu hai ba gi demokta koi gi leijari ba elected PRI sing loina na koi gi job card holder oi ba praja khudimak punjalaga
Speaking on the sidelines, Bukhau Gram Panchayat Upa Pradhan Sorokhaibam Biswarani demanded to conduct Panchayat elections without further delay. She further urged to uplift and strengthen democracy. Members of Top Nauria 10 Gram Panchayat, Top Dusra Gram Panchayat and Tambalkhong Gram Panchayat member also took part in the protest.
Panchayat election athuba matamda pangthokpiu anouba administrative khanbase aikoi sungai ajaningde aikoi gi hakmat piganu democracy gi wahanthok le hanbiu athuba matamda panchayat election pangthokpiduna anouba election elected jing khanbiu somnam sasanda purikhaudagi lauthoga administrative committee sembase aikoi sungai aningde democracy gi wahanthok le hanbiu government na seliba policy aikoi sungai ajaningde